If you're a real estate agent who's been putting off recording videos because you think AI will do it for you, I have major news for you. YouTube just announced that it will not monetize videos created entirely by artificial intelligence. But this isn't just about ads, it's about visibility, credibility, and whether or not your content will even get shown to anyone at all. If you're hiding behind AI, hoping to automate your way to success, this is your major wake-up call. So what happened? Well, on July 10th, YouTube released two major updates. Number one, they're removing the entire trending page. Number two, more importantly for you, they are cracking down hard on content made entirely with AI. Now, that doesn't mean videos with AI won't be monetized, but I'll get into that. YouTube's official policy now states videos generated by AI tools without meaningful human input will not be monetized. In other words, if you're relying on synthetic voices, avatars, or pre-written AI visuals without showing up yourself, you're out. This is going to hit a lot of agents hard, especially those who've been waiting for the perfect tool to create the videos for them. But let me be clear, this is bigger than just monetization. YouTube's algorithm favors authenticity, human connection, and trust. Those three things, they are the foundation of your real estate brand. Buyers and sellers don't want a robot telling them why they should move to their city. They want you, your voice, your face, your perspective. If you're relying entirely on AI to do the talking for you, you're not building a brand, you're building a wall between you and your ideal client. Think about this. How many agent videos have you seen that feel completely lifeless? No real personality, no emotion, just a robotic voice listing facts. Now compare that to a simple video where a real estate agent looks into the camera and says, here's what I love about this neighborhood and why clients keep asking to move here. That second video builds connection, it builds trust, and trust is what gets clients. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most agents avoiding video aren't actually waiting for better AI. They're scared to be in camera. They're scared of not being perfect, scared of judgment, and I get it. I was the same way when I got started. But now, with YouTube cracking down, the longer you wait, the more irrelevant you become. The platform is literally telling you, you must show up. Now here's the good news. This update creates a massive opportunity for those willing to do what most aren't, which is just start. The bar has been raised. Lazy copy and paste AI videos are going to disappear and fall into the abyss. They won't rank. And agents who are willing to hit record, speak to the camera, and serve their audience, they're going to rise faster than ever and generate far more leads than ever before, especially if you know how to use AI the right way as your assistant, not your replacement. So how should you move forward? Number one, use ChatGPT to outline your videos. And if you really want to go to the next level and create the perfect content based on data, use Manus for deep research to identify the exact plan and strategy specific to your market. For example, if you're creating a relocation video about moving to Austin, ask ChatGPT to generate an outline with key neighborhoods, price ranges, school districts, and pros and cons. This gives you the structure without starting from scratch. Number two, use something like Descript, Vid, or CapCut to cut out the filler words, pauses, and mistakes. It's pretty much like editing with a Google Doc, super simple, and saves hours of editing time. If you don't need to be tech savvy or look polished on camera, and you can even outsource this as well, which is my recommendation. Number three, use something like OpusClip to turn your long form content into Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Just upload your YouTube video and it will automatically find the best hooks, cut it into short videos, and even add captions. Number four, use Manus or VidIQ to find what people are searching for in your market. It might show you people are looking for the best suburbs for families. Is a breakout term. Now you know exactly what to film next. And most importantly, keep it simple. Here's a 3-video sequence that any agent can film right now. Video number one, top 5 neighborhoods in your city for first-time home buyers in 2025. Video number 2, 3 mistakes to avoid when moving to your city. Video number 3, what $500,000 gets you in your city, a home tour and cost breakdown. You have to show your face, you have to deliver value, you build trust, and that is the winning formula. This update should be your signal. It's time to stop hiding behind tech and start building a personal brand. In real estate, you are your brand. And clients don't hire your logo or your scripts, they hire you, your tone, your story, your face. So if you've been paralyzed by perfectionism or overwhelmed by tech, I want to make it simple for you to win moving forward. Over 7,000 agents just like you have enrolled in the Social Agent Academy, where we give realtors everything they need to succeed on YouTube and every other platform. The exact video titles, scripts, SEO strategies, how to get confident in front of the camera and dominate your market, even if you're petrified of it right now. The AI-powered tools to make content creation 80% easier, and the systems that help agents just like you go from 0 to over $1 million in commission from their YouTube videos alone. Not to mention the top training on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook ads, Google ads, building a personal brand, and all of the systems to make it easy and not overwhelming. If you want to stop spinning your wheels and finally build a content machine that gets clients coming directly to you for free every month that turn into closed deals, click the link in the description or the pinned comment and join thousands of agents already using the system to change their business and their entire life. YouTube just made it clear, authenticity wins. The question is, are you ready to show up? Also, check out this next video if you want to know exactly how to leverage YouTube to generate consistent leads and close over $100,000 in commission over the next 12 months with clients coming directly to you for free.